Today we will see a new feature on the Ezoic dashboard, which is the maximize your site revenue automatic configuration. So this button right here on the Ezoic dashboard is brand new and we'll test it together. So here is a website that I bought recently. So it already has traffic and is already able to make money. So as you can see, when I first plugged in my Ezoic account now about a week ago, it started to make money, and then the checks were going on. So now the site has been accepted by AdSense, has been accepted by Google MCM, and is now ready to monetize the configuration. The basic general site configuration is done, and now we can continue with the monetization configuration. So we will try together this new button. So I do not know yet what it is doing. It will be a first time and we'll see what it will do. So this button will enable the best settings to maximize my site's revenue. So let's check what this button do. So this feature will help us increase our revenue while keeping our users' experience in mind. Various Ezoic ad types and home mix setting may be enabled that align with industry standards to boost your revenue potential. Okay, so just before that, let's take a small screenshot, save on the desktop, and here we go. Let's enable this. Okay, so we have successfully enabled the monetization settings. So not sure what happened here exactly. So this website is a WordPress website. The WordPress plugin has already been installed and configured. So theoretically, Ezoic has all it needs to be able to monetize. So let's check what happened. So we have, okay, maybe first let's reload the dashboard, see if anything changed. Okay, so nothing changed. So we have urgent issues that are impacting revenue. So not sure what the button did actually. Let's try again. Okay, so everything will be enabled. Okay, everything should be enabled. And now if we go to see the issues, so actually not sure what happened, but anyway, here in the monetization dashboard, we have some recommendations. So this also is new. We have revenue issues, and we can auto fix, use the system to automatically improve the revenue. So for example, we can enable the vignette ads. We can enable to automatically select remix videos to display on the website to maximize revenue and lower the bounce rate. So let's fix this. Okay, the fix is in progress as written here. They are working on our request and it should come soon. Now it is loading, and then we can see that we have other fixes that we have to do ourselves. AdSense mediation. Okay, let's check what is there. Oh, it's not enabled. So let's enable AdSense mediation. Okay, done. So now if we go back to monetization, where was it? Where was it? Where was this? At position here, revenue issues. AdSense mediation is done. So why is it still shown? It is done, okay. Then next one, placeholder density. We have no placeholders. So let's optimize this. Let's allow Ezoic to do it. Okay, actually we already have some placeholders, so not much to do here. That's correct. Then if we go back, next one, enable box sizes and mobile banner size placeholder. Blah blah. Okay, so let's enable everything. Yeah, so actually everything should be already enabled. Here in ad types, we should have everything enabled. So each type of ad should be allowed to be displayed on the site, which is the case. Okay, so from there everything is fine. And check pages without revenue. So of course we have pages without revenue because we didn't start to monetize yet. So of course there are pages without revenue. And then we have a news 5 videos. Okay. So now everything is done, and actually, if we go to check, so this is what was done mostly. So by clicking on this button at the beginning, we have created placeholders for the website without doing anything. So what we can do to go maybe further is to check ourselves the site, enable the Google Chrome extension to check the placeholders manually and eventually add more if it's not enough. But otherwise, so now everything should have been configured, and all we have to do now is to wait for traffic to come in and for money to come in. So what we can do to check if it is working now that the site is supposed to monetize, we can go to analytics and check the real-time earnings for this website. So if we go here in real time we have nothing, so which is a little strange, but have to double check. So if we open the site infocrusade.com, so here I am one visitor and I don't see it yet. Okay, so maybe there is here a small integration problem. Let's move to another page. Still we don't see it. So actually there is most likely some issues. So if we check if Ezoic is here, yes, Ezoic is here. So actually it should all be fine. I am connected as an administrator, so the ads are not showing because probably because I am connected. But now everything should be fine. We should be able to monetize and to maybe just another double check. When it's a new website, of course, it takes some time before the integration is complete and we can fully monetize. So check the site integration is correct. Cloudflare is used, that's correct. Our name server as set is correct. We can also enable Ezoic consent management, which is mandatory for mostly European visitors and US visitors. Okay, so country by default is United States. We don't have content for minors. Save. And we can even review the GDPR banner on live site. Yep, let's open link in new tab. So here we have opened it and we don't see it. Let's try maybe in a private window. On a private window where we are not connected, we also don't see it. So not sure what happens here. And if we check this, the server IP is not my server IP. So, oops, I checked the wrong one here. So the server IP is here, but it's the same. It's not my server IP. So this is Ezoic server. So probably it takes just some time to be fully enabled. So script tester, we don't need to script to test any kind of script. Our DNSs are for sure they must be correct. Our hosting, we don't use the hosting, and the API we are using the Ezoic API. Okay, so actually maybe the Ezoic API was not correct. So what we can do in this case is go on the dashboard, or the WordPress dashboard, check the plugin. So maybe actually I didn't update the API number. So if we go to Ezoic, where is Ezoic? Oh, Ezoic plugin is not there anymore. What's happening? Okay, so we have actually to update install Ezoic plugin. So I was sure that the plugin was there, but apparently it is not, which is a little strange. Okay, so let's see another video. In any case, you can use this button to automatically manage a lot of things for your monetization and start using Ezoic monetization. So if you want to submit your site for Ezoic, you have the link in comment, and good luck and all the best with your website monetization efforts.